aqui, tirar foto lentamente. Eu quero aparecer. Aê!
This thing gonna go. It's gonna get you up out of there.
What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, still down here in Florida, still with the crew, MOC. We got Race Car Friends, Honda Gang Nate, Blueprint 1LE, not here, but he's here in spirit. So behind me, we got the ZL1 1LE, and I'm about to take that for a spin. So if you don't know, still got my ZL1s, not sold yet, but I always want to know how the ZLE is, so we're about to take that for a spin. I'm about to take it for a spin. So I always heard like, oh, the suspension's too rough to daily it, but I'm about to say now if it's too rough or not, and just give y'all my impressions on that. And before I do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. ZL1 1LE, we got the 22. So this is the king of the Camaros right here, the ZLE. So as you can see, we got the 325s in the back, 305s up front. Got the red brake calipers. The base ZL1 doesn't come with colored brake calipers, they're just silver. Got the black gas cap on here, the carbon fiber wing back there. What else we got going on? Similar to mine, but it's a lot of subtle things. And this doesn't have the magnetic ride control on here. So this is a stiff chassis on here. And on the inside, you got some more options too. Red seat belts. Glory be to him. Got the red accents here. The knee pads down there. He got this custom Chevy Performance armrest in here. And the rest is business. Oh, we got the carbon fiber on the dash too. Woo! So this is a $78,000 Camaro right here. And this is the one that you want to keep right here. This is the classic, hands down future classic. I prefer these more than the Corvettes, but this is the best part of the car. This front end, I wanted so bad to do these canards and dive planes, but I just can't. You can't do that, man. You can't badge up like that, in my opinion. I already had the wing, so getting the dive planes would be doing too much. And to do that, you got to get this the splitter down here that's specific to the ZL1 1LEs. It's black down here. On the regular ZL1s, it's blue. Let's quit the chit chat. Got to get in the car because we're about to lose sunlight. And me and Nate both got to drive back to Atlanta. Race Car Friends got to go back down to the other part of Florida, the real Florida. So let's get into it.
Yes,
me and Nate up in here. We up in this thing.
Is it any different just starting off, like even the sitting, like the way it feels sitting, or is it like still similar right now?
It feels the same so far. I do notice there's some nice touches you got with these red knee pads and the door thing.
Oh, you know how I feel about the red guts.
That's the way to do it. The red seatbelt, come on, man. This Chevy Performance right here, that's looking good.
I messed up right here because I was like, oh, I'm trying to be extra. I should have left this stock and kept the red.
Okay, so I was looking like that look a little different.
Yeah, I got the carbon fiber one. Carbon fiber. Yeah, I did this, guys. So we about ready to roll out.
Dang, you are on empty. We gonna baby it just for a little bit.
Yeah, it'll show us though, like, that's one thing I like about it. It's good about telling you, like, bro, you got 30 miles, you better get it together.
Let me make sure let's see.
We got 29, see?
All right, we good.
Like, we about right here.
Turn the air on for a minute.
Facts.
I know that wind.
You know this cabin be getting hot in here, man. That's one thing, like, guys, about ZL1s, ZL1 1LEs, bro, this cabin, if you want to lose some weight, come out here and sit in your car.
Sauna in this boy.
Talking about straight sweat.
I have to get this thing lowered. Oh,
look at you driving crazy.
Right, man, she's swinging that
Look at you crazy. What you doing? You ain't gonna try to act like you're normal.
Right. Hey, y'all see me coming through here. Y'all gotta stop. Y'all know what it is.
And he hanging out the window. I'm finna get nervous and hang out the window with him.
Right.
So well, I'm finna be hanging out.
Oh, this boy do got a little bounce to it. I gotta hit these things carefully.
Oh yeah, keep going over the speed.
One time I had that ZL6, dude was like, be super careful with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was going past Trump Towers.
I think I watched that video when you rented, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I think I remember that one on Futuro. I think.
The damage was more than the rental itself. I'm like, damn, I could have just.
That undercarriage is like, bro, shit, they just got the car I really wanted.
Right. $700 more. I could have got a Lambo almost.
100%. Like,
there go that gas light right there.
Yeah, just letting us know. So you got 29 miles, buddy. You better figure it out.
Yep. These boys diagonal. Should be good though. These ain't that big.
No, these ain't bad. The thing I hate is like when I go on my driveway, sometimes I mistime it and it's crazy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but you know, it is what it is. Gotta pay the cost to be the boss.
Yes, sir. Man, this is like surreal. I never thought I'd be driving one of these. I never see them. They so rare.
You know what I'm saying? That's why, guys, you always have to have good connects and good friends. Because you're going to experience some stuff.
And especially with a manual. Like, I saw a couple automatics, but I would drive one, but this is the one I've been waiting to drive.
100%. Now we finna find out the truth.
Woo!
Now we about to see what all the talk and hype is about. Is it really different or is it the same?
Let's go.
Let's go. No, that one cute.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, he ain't playing no games with y'all. Y'all see how he got on? He ain't playing no games with y'all at all.
Man.
So right off the top, do you feel like you see any differences?
Yeah, it's definitely a rougher ride. I feel everything on the road.
100%.
But it's a different feel still to it. It feels more special than my car. Cause my car was it's good at everything. But this is a track weapon, man.
Right, specific.
It goes too. I think the gearing is shorter too.
I think so too.
Woo.
So the gearing in here is a little bit different.
Yeah, cause I feel like you can go through the gears better in here than you can in the ZL1, the regular ZL1.
Maybe so. Should you put it in track and see if you feel different?
Snap, I ain't even in track.
Right.
I'm out here playing.
100%.
So Kess was telling me about these Florida U-turns. I'm about to.
Yeah, I didn't even know about them, and I was I'm tripping.
Downshift. And this boy, you ain't even got it. There we go.
Jeff Gordon did it. You feel me? Well, you know, of course the black version.
Man. Got me missing my car already, man.
Facts. That's the thing about the Z. I keep hearing people say about that. Like, I've seen a lot of people sell the ZL1 and then come back to it. Like,
yeah, cause it's like, where else do we go from here? Like, this is probably the only thing that I can step up into. But anything other than that, like, I gotta get a Lambo or a Ferrari or a high-end Porsche.
You hear my boy, don't you? He might be dropping a few hits at y'all. I love being like in the passenger ride because I never get to be in the passenger side. So now I get the experience what people feel when I be going crazy.
This car hype, man. And these all seasons are still summer tires.
Oh, these are I think these still summers.
Okay, so these are hand cooks.
Yeah, hand cooks.
They still handle good. Like, this is it's a good ride. I can't tell the difference between the what's those, the Eagle F1s.
Yeah, and the funny part about it is like when I first got the tires, I noticed that they weren't sliding. Because the Eagle F1s, they'll slide on you, but these at first they were not sliding. Now they do slide because they got a little weather on them. But you know, these are gripping very well in the beginning. And it's a more affordable tire than, you know, going to get the Continentals or what's the other one? I forgot the other brand right now. But, yeah, the top of the line.
Pilot Sports.
Yeah, the Pilot Sports, the Michelin's.
Yep.
So it's a good alternative if you have a ZL1 and 1LE, you know, or a ZL1. The hand cooks are a good tire.
Definitely, man. It's a roundabout right up here. I'm about to swing it through there. We can head right on back, man.
All right, bet.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet.
You can hear the supercharger whine through here too.
100%.
I got the cold air intake. I think it was a waste of money, man, for what I was doing.
Right.
Like, it did make it more, but $500 to hear a little more whine, it wasn't worth it.
Facts. And I think your muffler was so loud on yours, I feel like it was kind of drowning it out anyway.
It really did.
Like, cause your muffler is crazy, like
like stupid loud.
It's like it's roaring at me, Jim.
Go through this boy again.
Right, because this dude right here driving too slow, so we gonna have to give him some space. Watch out, man.
Come on, go through.
You don't know what you're doing, because you looking shy.
Go.
You telling us to go. Okay, we'll go there. Thank you. All right, auntie.
We gonna pull up in here real quick. See, messing up the fun.
She gonna make us tweak out.
All right. See if I can do one of them Florida turns up in here.
Cat's already. Oh, is that a orange TRX?
Yeah, we got it on his video.
Oh, dang. I see how y'all do out here in Florida. Y'all different.
I put the car in the wrong gear, man. Cause reverse on mine is to the right and down, and here it's to the right and up.
Right.
Yep.
It's crazy. It's like, I don't know. These cars, these manuals, they all have different feels. They all have different personalities, and that's what I like about manuals too. It's like a personality of the vehicle.
Oh yeah.
And I'm playing the words of Josh Run. You like that?
You like that? This plane got no kind of body roll at all, man.
This thing gonna go. It's gonna get you up out of there. You come up out of that turn. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love this type of stuff, dog. Like, I live for this. Like, this is what cars are all about, man. At the end of the day. It's just like that adrenaline rush you feel, that excitement you get controlling the girl. I mean, controlling the wheel, and controlling the gears. I'm talking about controlling the girl. Where my head at, man? I'm somewhere else.
This little white thing down here too. I don't know what that say. It's like under the speed limit down there. It's like I don't know. That's reading the speed limit. So I think the speed limit. My car ain't do that.
Look at that. We got this. Hey!
It's on speed like.
Hey, the ZL1 LE got a little bit of, we got some little special things going on out here, man. We got a little special extra features out here.
Yeah, my car ain't tell me the speed limit, man.
He said his car didn't tell him the speed limit. Well, guess what? In the 1 LE, we do.
Oh, what I ain't turned on? Cause I don't even know if that's something you can turn on. I turned on everything in my car. I thought. That's crazy. I used to work on stuff like this.
So I just left it stop. To my knowledge, I think that's just something that the big dog do. You know?
I'm small fish in the big pond.
I wouldn't say small, but the ZL1 is a beast of its own. Don't get confused.
Yeah, this is. Like I told race car friends, I can see myself getting one of these, man.
Y'all want to see Q get a ZL1 LE? Y'all get in the comments. Let them know.
Let me know.
Y'all please let them know. 100%.
I need to know. This is both for our car. I'm just paying to know. Y'all helping me. Because y'all watch, y'all share, y'all like, y'all subscribe to my channel, y'all subscribe to his channel, Race Car Friends and Blueprint 1 LE.
100%. Y'all get together with us because, like I said, we putting out banger content. I know that's a young thing to say. We're going to put out bangers every video. So y'all tune in, support us. We support each other. And like I said, we don't plan on doing anything but going up. That's the only thing we focus on is getting better and better and better. So you got to catch us right now because when we get big, it's going to be too late, man.
Right. You gonna be missing out. Like, man, I remember when they was, but I wasn't there. Dog, you just gotta get out the way. And that's it, and that's all. This dude really don't see me, dog.
I did that one time when dude was crossing the street. I said, "You!" He said, he almost jumped out his drawers. You feel me?
Yeah.
All right, now we back. Look at Cass on the phone.
We're caking.
Like P. Diddy. Always on the phone talking about something.
All right, take that. That's a busy man. Oh, dang.
Alright guys, we back.
I wonder if he heard us. He had to hear us.
Hear us rolling?
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah, what's that? That was Nate Q.
Definitely got to get some gas now.
100%. Going straight to the gas station.
Alright, that's wrapping up the ride with the ZL1 1LE, the ZLE if it cool. But that is a great car, man. Amazing car. Shout out to Honda Gang Nate for tossing me the keys to it. An experience I never got to have before, man, because nobody's got a manual ZL1 1LE. And now I can finally say how I like it compared to the ZL1. It's definitely a hardcore car. It's not trying to be a soft car sometimes, a hardcore car at other times. It is just hardcore all the time. And that's the good character to it. So definitely fun. Got squirrely. It tell you the speed limit too on the cluster, and my ZL1 didn't do that. So I'm kind of wondering about that. So I'll check that out when I get home. But if you are looking to buy my ZL1, it's still at City of Cars. Probably won't be by the time this video is posted though. But I'm Q checking out. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, hands full, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.